question.
What's that?
That motivation that you gave me when I was about 15, what was it that you saw in me? Because my father died when I was 9. You never get a chance to tell me, say, yo, at this minute, see. Because you gave me some words when I was just a teenager that inspired me so much, and you don't know what it did to me then. What it instilled into me, how it grew me. Bounty Killer, when you look at me and tell me, say, yo, little girl, you're bad. Hey, you never know. Killer, you never know. I walk out the whole of Beretta and I said, hey. You gave me so much confidence, Bounty. Big up yourself. I love you like life itself. You never know. Hold on there. Hold on there, grown Godzilla. Hold on, guys. More time to talk about it, but people really don't understand. When I was a teenager.
Oh, God. Crazy. Yo,
It's a joy. It's a joy.
10 years ago, the album for come out. That's why name 10. Them didn't even know.
They never know. Big up yourself. Bounty. Me tell you all the while, you tell me say me tired to say me love you, but me love you, me respect you, me rate you. Thank you so much. Me just want to ask you one question.
What's that?
That motivation that you gave me when I was about 15, what was it that you saw in me? Because my father died when I was 9. You never get a chance to tell me, say, yo, at this minute, see, and my father tell me that from a little girl, and you tell me, I may never let it go from you tell me. It's like that give me the strength and the courage when me did have. I don't know where you see that from me so young.
No, I saw the fire in you. I saw the fire. I saw the determination and I saw the talent. I saw the drive. I saw a lot of things. And I saw all the things I saw. I see bloom, blossom into the dance. When I saw you, I think I a little bit of that night. Sorry about that. And I'm there, nigga.
Don't worry yourself, I'm there, I go through it too.
Set up for talk. Yes,
but then I go through it too.
Lady. Yeah, and the night, oh, you deal with the man. Oh, no, burnt a regular. Yeah, I saw this little with this determination and drive. And talent was there. Then we took it to It's a Party, and then Dave Kelly and Babe for the fire. And then everybody came, and it was the next one. It was Grace. It was Grace.
Definitely. Big up yourself in general. We talk about it every day. I'm glad for them my life. Know when the album finally dropped. To make it know to your face. I love you, I respect you.
I'm happy. I'm proud because you have gave a good journey.
Definitely.
Yeah, man. So this album is definitely template, ice, window. Yes. Now, I'm gonna start getting. You understand? Because you've been giving them singles, performances, so album time.
Ready. And your album here say that work on it. When is that drop?
When my album coming for Christmas, my album not gonna be a summer project because we can't.
Okay.
Some of them can't get the food one time.
Okay. All right. So Christmas, so don't get ready for Killer album. Me and wait for it. Big up yourself in general. Love, mad love, respect, everything. Right, so.
All the best, mama. Mad love. Kaboom.
All right. Kaboom, my boss, my general. Right, so. Big up. Yeah. Yo, must be a good. No, I would have been a start to the world. Lord, the general, the dance. Hey, Bounty, big up. But big up yourself, is a general will never let me have a no stage show. No care, oh my God, show them. And Ninja Man, they panic from Ninja Man and Bounty Killer, they panic, you know, they'll get a call on. So Ninja, big up yourself. Baby Sean, my brother, comment no back over live, come and I understand. Them no know, say, I'm from a little girl. I have to show the gratitude. I have to show my gratitude. Baby Sean, big up yourself. That's why me I say Gaza until my breath stop. That line is powerful, man. Yeah, big up yourself, Cartel. Gratitude is a must. This is the first time I'm from my album. gratitude to people who helped me along the way, because enough people who show dirt on me along the way. So I'm happy show gratitude to people who helped me along the way. Cartel, big up yourself, rightness of Gaza, straight, Bunty, big up, Baby Sham, big up, who for other name I call, big up on yourself. Shaggy, this album wouldn't be possible without you. Big up yourself. Arville, you're my hero, me not stop, Cecil, big up yourself. I want for people me have to give respect to. Me go back in our next song again. You know, me don't really know if you use the Instagram, so if me see Baby Sham comment, me can't click for them to go live. But this is the launch. Me have to do it right here, so because I couldn't get to reach Atlanta, so me only just have to find a way to make it possible. Yo, shush, 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 shush.
What up, my pretty?
Beckett, big up yourself.
What's up?
Big up yourself.
Big up yourself, my pretty. It's been a long time. It's been overdue, you know what I mean?
Me see I mash up the road. Me see I mash up the road.
Me see I mash up the world. Me see I mash up the world.
Big up yourself.
Album out.
The album is out right now. 10.
How long now you wait for this?
Eh?
How long now you wait for this?
That album I do from 2009, so VP can't vex it. Me can't be my more rich for
Yo, let me tell you this. This is from the first time we meet. We're up on tour at England. And you tell me, say, you haven't done with music. And me, I say, what do you mean done with music? You're mad. And you tell me the whole trial, the whole fight where you got through within the industry of Jamaica. But I couldn't make you done with music. I can't tell you that. Because the world did have to see this, you know what I mean? The world did have to see this. We did a see it on tour like every night. You open the show them at the time, I never even know you. And it's like me, I said, you know that girl, that bad, yo, she not have no record. You never have no record. No record was out there. And me, I said, oh, after, I think at the final show, me really talk to you. After the final concert, and me, I say, why you no record songs? And you said, nobody know want to record you. Because of some issues, we not have to get back into that. But at the same fight, we then try to fight you over the years. You know what I mean? And me, I say, listen, me, if you decide, me not tell you, say, me I go tell you when we change your mind, but if you decide to come back to Jamaica, reach out and we're going to make it happen, man. And you never ever call you at Jamaica and say, yo, road. And you say, yo, me I go sleep or me I go wrap up with my man or nothing like that. You always just say, brother, I'm ready. You know what I mean? And to them, you can see it, you know what I mean? From day one, you have the drive, you have the work ethic, you have the love. we have some, all right, we have some picture with you. If delete them right now, we're not good.
Yeah. That's why I say big up yourself. Thank you so much. Now people, me talk about it everywhere. People know say without you there wasn't been a startup of Spice. You paved the way and you make me get fight over man, introduce me to Dave Kelly. I've said it a million times, but in your face right now, I just want to say love you, respect, thank you for everything that you've done for my career from them time then. It has molded me and shaped me into who I am today. I appreciate it and big up.
Yo, I love you more than life, my G. Let's go on there. And we are buying the thing and everybody at 10 and more 10, you know, we're buying it with support.
Before you go away, maybe I have to go do a DNA on you, I remember them say I'm Nicholas' father. Remember since like the man that want to do the DNA, maybe you have to go do the DNA.
But look, you don't know. You never know. You know what I mean? Yo, Nicholas knows that I'm Godfather. I love you, Nicholas. Dang it.
You know yourself, my brother. Love.
Love you more, my G.
Alright, brother.
10.
Right, sir. Big up.
I hope you come out for this.
I'm going to tell you, I never know overthink you.